So, she just went swimming. She's so excited. She does swim, but she also scratches me out while she does it. So, that's puppies for you. Look how big she's getting. I love my Sia to pieces. Sia, girl. We love you, don't we? Yeah. So, actually a very quiet day today. Not very many people here. Those little birdies are coming out. I guess it's almost feeding time, so we'll see more of those. Wish we could see some dolphins. Sometimes you see dolphins here. And yeah, Sia scratching. She wants to go chase that bird. Yes, girl. What's that? What's that you saying? Mama, let me chase? Yeah. Don't think so. I need a GoPro so I can take it to the water, the camera to the water, and show you what it's like in the water. But you get the idea. So we are here. My glasses are all wet. Just having a wonderful time, and wish some of my friends were here with me to enjoy the day. But we just spend a couple of hours and then we go. Not too long. Jumping bird trying to catch a fish over there. You see it? See the little birdies? It's almost feeding time. You can see it by those little birdies on the shore. So peaceful. So great. Yeah. See ya. Okay, she's pulling again. So, what's over there, baby? Yeah. Okay, Fort Myers Beach, everyone. We'll see ya. See you soon.